In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add the Q&A feature on your TikTok in 2021. So this is a pretty cool feature where your fans can go ahead and ask you questions. Now, to unlock the Q&A feature, you do need to have a creator account. So how you get a creator account is once you're on your profile, by tapping the me icon at the bottom right of the screen, then you can see three vertical dots at the top right of the screen. Tap on those three dots and then you want to tap on manage account. Then you can see it says underneath account control, switch to personal and switch to creator. What you want to do is make sure you switch to a creator account. So I'll tap that. Then I'm going to tap on switch. And now you'll just need to select a category. So I'll put entertainment because that's what my TikTok is about. Then I'll tap on next. Then I'll put in my gender, tap on done. So now I have a creator account. So if I go ahead and tap on those three dots at the top right again, you can see an option that says creator tools, which is new for this account. So if I tap on creator tools, you can see you have the Q&A function underneath analytics. So just tap on Q&A. So to enable it, all you need to do is turn on Q&A at the bottom, and it says there Q&A turned on. So if I go ahead and refresh this, okay, there it popped up. So you can see underneath my bio, it now says Q&A. So that's pretty much it. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.